Want a free flight ticket to your dream university to pursue MBBS abroad? Plus an agency who not only charges 0 rupees for consultation, but also provides you a training program to help you crack FMG, USMLE, UKMLE for your further studies. Keep watching the video, I'll provide you with all the details. Now, let's talk about Georgia.
Georgia. It is famous for its history, culture, landscapes, and wines. Georgia's culture is a blend of historical heritage and contemporary influences. This country is very welcoming to tourists. Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia and its most popular tourist city.
And yes, in this capital city lies a top-ranked private university which is top choice among international students.
वैसे तो जॉर्जिया में बहुत कॉलेजेस हैं, like Tbilisi State Medical University, Georgian American University, Georgian National University.
But we will talk about only the best among them. EEU, the East European University, a private medical university established in year 2012 in this capital city of Georgia. Due to this location in capital city, it provides you with many advantages, which I'll cover in few minutes.
EEU is accredited by NMC, WHO, NCEQ and Ministry of Education and Science of Georgia.
और एक ऐसा बेनिफिट जो जॉर्जिया के किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं मिलेगा.
EEU provides ProSham Premium Training Program to Indian students which help them to clear any exam for NMC and USMLE from first year itself. About infrastructure, EEU has renovated classes with centralized AC, heater and anatomy table, provides access to medical simulators, labs. Apart from this, you also have facilities for gym, cafeteria and etc. Teachers and facility. The facility at EEU for medical students consists of experienced and qualified professionals with expertise in various medical fields. The professors have international qualifications and are actively involved in both teaching and research. Library. EEU has all the essential books as per medical students' requirement. Apart from studies, there are various cultural events also. अगर हॉस्पिटल की बात करें तो दे हैव देयर ओन हॉस्पिटल. ऐसे बहुत से कॉलेजेस हैं इन जॉर्जिया who doesn't have their own hospital. EEU has its own 400 hospital beds along with many collaborating hospitals which ensures that you get good practical exposure. Course duration is 5+1 with internship. Medium of teaching is English for 6 years. College fees. Let's talk about college fees. It's around 2 lakh per semester. Hostel fees is 1 lakh per semester along with food. So for 6 full years of MBBS, it will cost you around 30 to 40 lakhs. Hostels. EEU has its own hostel separate for girls and boys. Safety for girls is further increased with 24-hour CCTV surveillance. इतना ही नहीं, you can get laundry done, cleaning services, unlimited Wi-Fi and lot more. Plus, both veg and non-veg Indian food यहाँ मिल जाएगा. Internship and FMG passing rate is above 40%. Internship in the same college and around 2,000 Indian students have graduated from this university.
Best part, their degrees are valid in UK, US and Europe too.
Let's talk about criteria and your admission process. You should be qualified in NEET, PCB around 50% marks, English entrance exam, basic interview related to introduction and biology should be clear.
Let's talk about how to reach your dream college.
There's a direct flight from India to Tbilisi which is around 4 hours and 30 minutes. From Tbilisi airport, EEU is 30 minutes away.
अब बात करते हैं the most exciting offer की. Just for my viewers, you can get your first flight ticket to Tbilisi free. Plus, you don't have to pay consultancy fees.
But Saundarya, how to avail this offer? नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने गूगल फॉर्म अटैच किया है, just fill it.
For further process, you should always opt for trusted agents. I will recommend you select your university because they help you with all the services from beginning to end for full 6 years. Looks like I have covered all the important topics for EEU. और अगर आपको फिर भी कोई doubt हो, please don't hesitate to reach out Select Your University either through their website or call. I'll mention their details in my pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want me to review yet another college, don't forget to subscribe my channel and Select Your University channel. So stay tuned, another video will be released soon.